Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get approved for a $10,000 credit card with no impact on your credit score. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of this credit cards application, as well as I will tell you each and every perk of this credit card, including the upsides and the downsides. So please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here, the credit card I'm going to talk about is Apple credit card, and it's an amazing opportunity, especially for a lot of people who don't want to see any negatives on their credit or their credit score, as well as who are always afraid for the hard inquiries, because you can get approved for this card with just a soft pull. So keep that in mind and do watch this video till the end, because I'm going to tell you each and everything that you need to know about the Apple card. Yes, you can find a lot of videos when it comes to this card, but this video is going to clear your mind and all the questions that you have. This will answer each and every question that you have. Still, if you will have any questions, please let me know in the comment below and I'll be happy to answer. So now let's see that what they're offering. So though Apple said that the fees don't help you, so we don't have them. So they say that there is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, or no late fees. So the thing is, they're saying that we don't charge you a single penny when it comes to fees. So as well as if you are late with your payments, they are not going to charge you any fee as well. So this is an amazing opportunity. But what I'm talking about right here, and what is really attractive about this card, is not this no annual fee or foreign transaction fee. It's something else, and I will tell you in a bit. So please watch this video till the end. Now when we scroll down, they say that there is no fee, and as well as it's unlimited daily cashback, real cash that you can use right away. They say that you can get 3% cashback on every purchases you make. It's real cash, it's unlimited, and you can get it every day. But there's a catch in it. Yes, you can get 3% cashback, but it's just for Apple products. Keep that in mind. Yes, you can get up to 1 or 1.5% cashback on everyday purchases, but remember, this 3% cashback is only for Apple products. So if you're going to buy something with your credit card or your Apple credit card with the Apple Store, so yes, they will give you a 3% cashback. So keep that in mind. They said to pay less interest, choose any amount you wish to pay, and watch Apple Card estimate the interest cost for you in real time. Yes, what they have, that they have a feature in their app, so you can actually see that if you are paying, for example, $100 for the payment, then how much interest you're going to pay. So just keep that in mind. It's just a feature. It's just not something that they're offering that is really amazing. So yes, like sometimes the credit card companies, they actually write a lot of things to attract people, and this is one of those things. So this is one of the gimmick that you can see. Your card, your data, your business. Apple Card will never sell your data to third party. We don't even care about it, so we're not gonna talk about it now. Let's say, as I already told you, that right here they have a great app, and I totally admit that you can use this app. It's going to help you with your daily expenses, as well as will tell you how much interest you're going to pay and how much balance you have with this circle right here. And this is an amazing thing because it's really easy and simple. So now let's see, when it comes to 3%, as I already told you, 3% save on everything you buy from Apple and selected merchants when you use Apple Card with Apple Pay. Mostly it's for the Apple products, so keep that in mind. 2% on every time you use your Apple Card will Apple Pay. Of course, if you use your card for Apple Pay, you're gonna get 2%, and 1% on all the general purchases, like whatever you buy either in the gas station or anywhere, or do the grocery, you're gonna get 1% back. That's not a lot, but still, you can say that something is better than nothing. So the great thing I like about this card that it's a titanium card. Of course, it's a metal card. It looks really nice. It's heavy. Most of the time you won't use it because your Apple phone is enough to use this card. But if you don't have Apple, or if you don't want to use your phone as a purchasing method, so you can use this card. It's pretty awesome. I like this card. Now let's go towards the application, that how it looks and what are the things that it offers. And you remember that it's not gonna put any effect on your credits. Yes, I'm firm on what I said, and I'm going to show you in a bit. So right here, as you can see, the apply now button, so I'm going to click on it. So without wasting any time, let's do it. And here is the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as you click, this page will open. So I'm going to paste a link below in the video's description. You can go and click on it, and this page will open. You can just click on apply now, and then you can fill out your information. But remember, if you have an Apple iPhone or any other Apple product, what you can do, you can go to your wallet app, and then right here when you open it, you will see an option to apply for Apple Card. You will click on it, then it will pre-fill the application or pre-fill your information in the application using your Apple ID, and then all you need to do, they will give you an offer right here. And remember, right here as well, if you apply, so you can get the answer just in a minute with no impact to your credit score. I already told you, so it's not going to affect your credit. So what they're exactly going to do now, I will tell you. So what they will do, they will do a soft pull to your credit report, and the soft pull does not affect your credit score or your credit report in any way. Your score will remain the same. There is no hard inquiry in your credit. They will only do a soft pull. So with just doing a soft pull, they will give you an offer via a minimum score of 620. Yes, so if you have that score, what they will do exactly, they will give you an offer. For example, they can give you an offer of $3,000. If as soon as you apply, they will give you an offer right here, and it will say that, hey, congratulations, you've been approved for $3,000 with 26.99% APR. If you want to accept it, then accept or deny. If you accept it, that decision is final. You will get the Apple Card. You can start using your Apple Card on your Apple iPhone or any other Apple product right away, and that credit card will be mailed to you in next 5 to 7 days. But remember, as soon as you click on accept, they will do a hard pull, but it will not change that decision that you have already received. Yes, so keep that in mind. They will not do it. All they will do exactly that, they will do a hard pull right after you accept the offer. It's a general requirement for them, so keep that in mind. I already told you that they have unlimited daily cashback with no annual fee, no over the limit fee or late fee or any other sort of fee though. Order a free Apple Card designed with titanium. Already told you that it's a metal card, it's a titanium card, and Apple Card never sells your data to anyone, so I don't even care. So right here, this is what the application and this is what the process looks like. I'm not going to show you entire each and everything right here. So as soon as you click on apply now, and this page will open right here, they require your Apple ID, and then you can proceed with the application. But remember, initially when they came up with this Apple Card, you could only do it with your Apple iPhone or the wallet app. Now you can do it online as well, so feel free to do that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel. It motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.